Okay, this is going to be a really quick video update on the Clear PETG project. I received my first free product as a YouTuber. This is the Eibos Cyclopes filament dryer, and I want to be as transparent as possible. I reached out to Eibos. They did provide this for the project, so I do want to say thank you, and I do want to let my audience know that I'm going to be as transparent and honest as possible moving forward with um, any products or sponsorships that I get in the future. And I also want to give a quick little update on where I'm at with this project. I've had a few people reach out because they're interested in printing transparent PETG. So I did purchase some Overture PETG because I've heard that this is the best PETG you can get. And I have realized that a lot of the recommendations that other people have made are correct. Being right around this 240, 250 range is really important, less than one layer height. Some other things that I didn't see many places is to put your infill at 99.999% instead of 100, which actually does help out quite a bit. The no fan is pretty important, and I am also doing some more testing. I found around 20 to 40 is probably the sweet spot for speed. You don't, with the new extruders and printers, I think you can go up to 40. I haven't really noticed, too much of a difference between 30, 40, and 20. Let's see if we can get those in there. Yeah, I am running into some issues with Orca not having as many settings as Cura. I really like Orca, but unfortunately it doesn't have like a combing not in skin option, which is really important to keep that nozzle above. Let's see if we can get it in focus, above your infill, because otherwise it creates lines like that. But yeah, pretty soon, after some more testing, I should release a .3mf with a bunch of different settings in here for each tile, and then you, as the end user, can go ahead and print that .3mf, pick the tile that works best for you, and then you'll have all your settings dialed in. If you basically, the only settings that I'm still going to be working on trying to dial in is like infill overlap, and seeing if I can get it to work in Cura or Orca, and then I will release a guide on how to get it to work, because you do have to trick Orca into believing that you're printing multiple filaments, and then make sure you don't have G code to have a filament swap. So thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will keep you updated on this project. And if you do have any questions about printing transparent PETG, I'm not an expert yet, but I'm working on it, and I will keep you updated on where this project goes, as well as how this filament dryer helps. And I also want to say thank you for Eibos for sending me this, because I think it is really awesome that they are supporting a small creator, and they are helping with this project, which will hopefully help the 3D printing community. Hope, save you guys some time, and save anyone who wants to print clear PETG sometime. Well, thank you again for watching, and I will see you nerds on the other side.